Okay, here is a quick tutorial of Airmont Hunt. It's got a 4-car garage. In each of them, they have motorcycle lifts that are stored up in the attic that are on a motor that come down. So you can have 2 cars plus 2 motorcycles. Same on this side, plus parking on each side. And they did a very upgraded driveway, pavered with professional landscaping, a beautiful fountain, a brick stone wall, all on over an acre. So you've got parking on both sides. You can pull up here to parking. So a beautiful grand entrance. This door was replaced. That was $30,000. A lot of improvements. Actually over $2 million in investments since they've purchased it. So you've got a grand 2-story foyer with very custom high-end lighting. And gorgeous tile work. Makes a statement that has very open to the dining room. You have a main level bedroom, ensuite with its own private bath and walk-in closet. You've got 10-foot ceilings. So they also opened up the floor plan when they did the renovations. And you have a 2-story dining room that opens to the living room. And again, custom design throughout this home. And fantastic lighting as well. And they just finished this gorgeous ceiling that has wallpaper that's sparkly, super fun, and a convenient large office with built-ins on both sides, double doors, and again, more details in here with a leathered wallpaper for impress your guests with this powder room and tile wall. And the floors were also very high-end hardwood floors. We'll go down to don't miss this amazing lower level, the best I've seen in my 20 years. So redesigned, this was all opened up, and you have stonework with custom shelving, more fancy wallpaper, and built-ins with high ceilings, fireplace, and a really large wraparound deck. And one of the nice features is that you can actually, this lot is so large and flat, you can add a sports court back here. So you'll see the pool shortly, but there's a really large yard here. And open to the kitchen with a nice kitchen table space, high-end lighting, with a built-in desk, lots of cabinet space, seating at the island, and what a great view while doing dishes. We'll go out to the pool shortly, and it's fully fenced with a wrought iron. Got high-end appliances, Genair, 5-burner stove, Bosch, double oven, and a chef collection fridge with a walk-in pantry, Super organized, lots of space. Back to the laundry. Super convenient, off of one of the garages. So in this is also one of the nicest garage I've seen, and there's two of them. So you can see up here, there are electronic lifts that there are two motorcycles lifted up there. So it is on a switch. It also has the custom shelving for great storage. So a dream garage. And again, there's two of these, four motorcycle. Love the ceiling in here as well. And then out to the very functional, cozy, bright sunroom, second family room, overlooking the pool. Love the floor. So there's no detail missed in this home. Coming out to this beautiful backyard, you've got your table space. You've got a nice flat usable yard down to the pool. And so this is, again, like your own resort, but you don't even need to leave. You have extensive stonework and waterfall feature. It goes right into the pool. And it's not your standard rectangle. It was custom designed. You've got actually a seat that you can sit and enjoy the waterfall right in front. Steps down. You have a nice pergola that can open and close, and lights around, and just gorgeous landscaping, as well as nightlight, outdoor lighting, and fully fenced. Again, you can wrap around to the side and build a sports court there, as well as go down to the lower level, right to the luxurious bath with a sauna and steam. So definitely great entertaining space. Really high ceilings in here, cathedral ceilings. Guess we'll go up, but you have to wait for the best basement I've ever seen. And I've been in thousands of homes. So you've got the open on both sides. So a grand owner suite here with a sitting area, custom lighting throughout, and totally redesigned. So with built-in TV, shelves, cabinetry, electric fire. And again, here is the side yard for the future sports court. It's a really spacious room. And then we've got a fashionista's dream closet. Again, love all the lights throughout. You've got custom cabinets for shoes, dresses, purses, jewelry. Actually, there's jewelry in here. I'm gonna keep their jewelry private, but so you can see. And then even a steamer. Rarely do you see this. So it is for suits, blouses, coats, raincoats, swimsuits. So you can see the different features. So lots of great storage to keep this very pretty with an island. More storage. Laundry. And better than any spa, this bathroom is sure to impress with the vanity, lighting, separate sinks, custom tile work with heated floors and frameless glass. It is also steam. So you've got two, actually, sorry, it's dual showers. One with the rain shower, two that steps up to the private tub. And then a private toilet room. And then we have two more. Oh, and they're here. So we've got bedroom with an ensuite, Jack and Jill. It's got great features throughout here as well. And then the last bedroom with an ensuite bath. And love all the design. Love that back wall. So sure to impress. And don't miss the stairway. We will come back. Okay, as we came down the stairs to the foyer, there are also two coat closets here, which are great for guests. Coming into the most spectacular basement with a fogged glass door. And you can already see the fun beginning. So you've got, they added those doors up to the pool. That is also, you'll see the spa full bathroom. So new flooring. This is actually a TV mounted in here. You could also change it to any kind of artwork as it's framed. So multifunction, which is super cool. Again, look at all the lights, the light features, the design, the great floor. Now this is a double door, completely soundproof. So you can open it this way, and when they're both closed, they have insulation that was done in the ceilings and walls. Even the carpet and wallpaper has soundproofing features. So it is an amazing experience in here. They have surround sound, including ceiling. So like if you're watching, let's say, what's it called? With jets flying over, you would actually hear it above you, which is actually cool. And then they have other features of storage, all the components. Very cool light features. Step up. And then great entertaining space, your very own Funland down here. And we even have storage and utilities. This is on 3 systems. So we have a large entertaining area. You could actually put a pool table here too if you wanted. A wet bar with multiple fridges, wine storage. So wet bar with a microwave. So this does have the wet bar with the dishwasher, microwave, and very Cool wallpaper, built-ins, great design again. Every feature, you have even speakers in here. Really great bar, entertaining. And this is actually a two-way glass into the impressive gym. With high-end carpeting, sparkly wall, stonework. So every detail has been thought of. And then we have a bonus room here. And love this glass wall that enters into this spa bath that has a steam shower at the bench, as well as a sauna and more amazing light fixtures and tile work. You can even see how the mirror is inset with a pocket door for in and out. So you have the second set of stairs out to the pool here. So this is where guests can come down right into the bath. And we also have several storage closets. And this actually they thought about turning that one into a wine cellar. And then you also have the second set of steps back there. And we're gonna go outside to the OASIS. So you've got your fireplace. So this is a very large wraparound deck that goes this way, all the way around, all the way back this way. So again, it's a nice flat yard, 1 acre. There's room for a sports court. It is fully fenced back here with wrought iron, as well as brick pillars. Really nice large deck, great for outdoor eating, relaxing, entertaining. And you have a nice flat yard here. There was talk he was going to put a pool house here, which is a perfect space for it. You could also convert this as well. So you can see it's not your typical rectangle pool. It's a custom design, and the waterfall feature is super beautiful and relaxing. And it's even got a bench that you and your guests could sit and relax, while others are relaxing by the poolside or playing basketball, sunbathing, all with great outdoor landscaping for privacy. And it also has beautiful evening lights. So you've got lights on the steps all around. So there's some twilight photos. And as we walk around, a quick peek of this angle. And you have a massive side yard that this is where, and it goes all the way around. So you could put a tennis court and a basketball court back here and fully have your resort completed. This is also saltwater and heated. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. So completely ready for the new homeowners.